I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, small pullback. Now in group, we talked about this idea. 1 hour Bitcoin chart printing a small rising wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the downside. And it did. But it's held this support level. So, the question is, major decision point coming for Bitcoin, right? Because the price actions got rejected here, got rejected here. Maybe it's going to come up for another attempt. It's got to break this level for that 4 hour. We're going to look at the 4 hour Bitcoin chart. For this thing to move and see much higher prices, it needs to break out above this level with some volume. I want to see some strength in this move. However, I'm going to talk to you about what's happened in the stock market and why we got to pay attention to that. So make sure and watch this video all the way to the end. So with the measured move here, you just take this distance, right? This is the measured move. The measured move is still lower, right? So if this were to hold and you get a bounce slightly higher, then it's a sign of strength, right? But if this thing comes up here and gets rejected again, then does this support level hold? And if not, do we see a move down to 20,454 or potentially some lower levels? Again, we're not trying to predict this. The buy signal is a breakout up here with volume. Okay, so again, we talked about this idea yesterday, 4 hour Bitcoin chart. 5,600 people saw this. I want volume to confirm the move. This inverse head and shoulders is possible, but I need volume confirmation. I need a breakout. And it kind of meandered its way up here slowly. There's no volume down here that confirms the move. You've got some possible bearish divergence right here on the histogram. Okay, so Bitcoin gets rejected at this level and comes back down here. There could be some downside. A good bounce, but I want to, if you're not in trades right now, you want to see volume confirmation and Bitcoin to break above this level around 21,500 for some upside. Okay, it hasn't happened yet. So we're always using Bitcoin just to give us a signal. Just give me the buy or sell signal. Or I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person is from Indonesia. He joined the group 2 months after he joined the group. He used to work on a cruise ship. 2 months after he joined the group, he quit his job because of the trading group. This person, I'm making money going both ways, up and down. That's the key to this market. You got to learn how to trade short. Who cares what directions it's going? You can profit both ways. Everybody comes in this market and falls in love with these coins, and then they ride them get into the dirt. That's not what this is about. Trade this market. We have these short coins on Kucoin. Make a Kucoin account. He made $2,500 in 5 days. This person made 49.5% out of Rune. He said, not much compared to what everybody else is making. Dude, our group has set the bar so high that this gentleman thinks 49% isn't that amazing. Yeah, it's huge. 49%. Most people are getting wrecked with the bangers. Every single day I bring you guys these 24%, 37%, 39%, 45%, 87%. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount. 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Just keep repeating the same thing over and over and hope for something different to happen. That's not how life works. S&P 500, this is many futures, is overbought. Also at this resistance level here. So the question is, at some point, unless this thing freaking goes completely parabolic, when this thing pulls back, it can easily drag Bitcoin to the downside, right? And then if this level doesn't hold, you get some downside out of Bitcoin. So you have to pay attention to this. Now, Sunday night, Monday morning, looking for a move out of Bitcoin based on these ideas. Now, you'll have a really market open on Monday. With futures, with ES1, on Tradingview, you'll have an idea what the market's doing before Monday morning, right? This thing is killing it as far as profits go and nailing Bitcoin and the altcoins. It's amazing how good we're trading, right? Bitcoin dominance. Okay, check this out. Altcoins have had nice run-ups. Some of them 30, 40, 50%. Obviously, the small caps even more than that. And that's because the money flowed out of Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin dominance. But what's happening is decision time right here, because it's come down, and it could, if it bullishly retests this, if this thing comes down here and bounces, then not good for the altcoins. If this continues to the downside, good for the altcoins. But it's down here close to oversold levels. So I'm looking for a significant move out of Bitcoin. You're holding these coins. You're sitting there trying to figure out where Bitcoin's going all the time, and it's a miserable life. The key is just wait for the signal and then go long or short based on what the charts are telling you. Like, this is not that hard. But in the beginning, emotional, you're listening to a bunch of nonsense on YouTube that has nothing to do with this market. You're trading against the elite. They're trying to take your money. They will continue to do so. They produce half the news stories out there that you're worried about. More, probably more. When you have endless amounts of money in this market, you're a whale. You can manipulate the herd because you can produce the news. So pay attention to these ideas. I'll keep you updated daily. Subscribe to the channel. If you guys appreciate the content that I bring you, hit that like button for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.